And here it is, guys. It looks like it's one of the newer mid-2000s Super Duty Ford F350. I'd say the tires could be a lot bigger. Just trim them up a little bit, put those 3740s. My hands are about to freeze the cluck off, but we got Cooper Discovery SST's tires on it. Let's see what we got here. We got 315 75 R16, so I'm pretty sure that's like a 35. We got BDS dual shocks. Shock stabilizers on the front. Man, this truck is sick, bro. Look at the tinted headlights on it, tinted windshield a little bit. The grass, I can literally feel it cracking as I step on it with my shoes. But yeah, check it out, man. Powerstroke V8. They only have a badge on one side. What? Oh no, they have it on both sides. Alright, guess the cold weather's really ruining my mind. So check out those cab lights on the top. You got the new style tow mirrors, got footsteps, which I don't really like, but I really like those tires and the height of this truck, man. Oh, and is that dual exhaust? Don't tell me that's dual exhaust. You got dual exhaust on this truck, man. This truck is sick, bro. So I'm with the Silverado here, but I should have brought the Ram so it could just be like a dual diesel truck meet, you know what I mean? Well, it's only me, but yeah, 2 diesel trucks, man. Look at that Powerstroke. Let me know if I should get a Powerstroke. Look at that, that's the thumbnail. I got a new Powerstroke, guys, taking delivery. But man, that truck is sick, bro. Look at that. Even though it's a long bed, I still think it looks sick because of how big these trucks are. And I've always been a fan of those cool, really cool door handles on it. That's so sick, man. They have so much room in the back. Gotta love this truck, bro. I do want to get a Powerstroke one day. I'm not sure if I get a Duramax or Powerstroke first, but I do want all 3 American diesels one day. Because look at this, man. This truck is so cool. I'd definitely take it off-road, upgrade the tire size. I'm not sure what's going on in the front there. Maybe it had a plow on it. Definitely not good for the truck, but still, this truck is really nice. I love Fords, bro. I love Ford, Chevys, Dodges, you name it. So I guess I'm a terrible camera owner because my hand is about to fall off. I just switched hands. I usually hold it with my right hand. I'm right-handed. My hand is about to fall off. It is so cold. It is probably below 20 degrees now. The sun is going down. I'm probably not going to go fishing today. This could jeopardize the channel completely. I really need to get this done. And I got this Silverado open here. I haven't even put the key in yet, so bear with me here. I'm freezing cold outside. And you guys are probably saying, put a damn jacket on before you die. That's not the problem here. My hands are about to fall off, so I definitely need some gloves, but I forgot to bring them. And look at my breath. Alright guys, how about that? So it literally says 26 degrees in my truck, and I'm sorry, but I am so cold. I gotta head back in here. Okay. Man, that truck is so sick, dude. Look how high that thing is sitting. I've actually never seen it here before. The truck is so sick. That is the sickest and coolest nasty Powerstroke. Caffeine right here. Finally, I did get another drink, but I guess this is gonna do for now. Got my Yeti water. Let's head on out. I actually do have the heat on because of how cold it is. I guess this is the breaking point. Once it reaches under 30 degrees, if it's anything above 30 degrees, I feel fine, can live the day normally. No, are you kidding me, man? They laid the road salt on the road, dude. I'm gonna destroy my freaking truck, man. I hate the road salt, dude. If you guys hate the road salt too, let me know so we can really do something about this. Maybe make a change, hit up the president, President Trump. Maybe he'll get rid of the road salt, you know. There's no point to it. Look at this. Here we go, pulling on to the road now. Gotta love it. So I'm thinking about upgrading the tint on the truck. Let me know what you guys think of that. I'm thinking about doing it. I'm not sure if it's the right move to make. The Cummins has it. I'm honestly in love with it, and I must say the Ram with the Cummins engine has it. I know you guys like to really give me some shite for it for saying Cummins all the time. Ram with the Cummins engine has tinted windows. This truck, well, he has the stock in the back. So you can see it as stock in the passenger, and then the back window tinted, so it looks nice, and I'm thinking about just matching that. Dark enough for me in the back, so I think if I do that up front, maybe a small strip up top, I'm not really sure. And of course I'd go to the tint guy that everyone goes to around here in the 717. Yeah, I'm 717 as well. For you guys who don't know, my name is Derek as well, and that's awesome. So yeah, let me know if I should do that. It's getting pretty dark outside, so we got to get a move on here, and yeah. So I would just hit up some places here in Harrisburg, but I'm actually not familiar with Harrisburg too well. So I'm probably just gonna have to head back to the area, and I'm gonna take the shorter way, which is actually horrible for the Silverado because of all the potholes, but gotta save that daylight, man. So I'm just gonna cut this car off. All right, let's go. See if he can see us. See if he's behind us. He slowed down for us. What a nice guy. I'm sorry, but if my engine's not warmed up, I'm not just gonna floor it onto a road. That's not good for the engine, so you gotta just be kind and courteous. And most people are nice about it, but some people honk, and those people are the ones with all the stickers on the back, if you guys know what I mean, and stickers that we, as a family here on the channel, probably would not like. And there for sure is a difference between stickers and decals. So I definitely want to do some engine stuff before we beef up the meats on the Cummins and stuff like that. It's always going to be the best decision to do at first. Also, it's going to be just easier to really reach there because I don't want to have to get a ladder every time working on the truck. So I want to get this stuff done first, so then it's not a pain way later. But yeah, we got the mods on the way, and I'll let you guys know when they come in the mail, but it's going to be a while. I'm not really sure when. It might actually be a couple days. I did do 2-day shipping because it was for free. I'm not one of those guys who usually speeds it up unless I really have to, but they had 2-day shipping for free, so that should come pretty quickly. And then I'll just get everything cleared up in the garage to be able to pull in. Right now I usually park one or the other truck on the inside the garage because it's very narrow. You can't fit both trucks in there. Well, you're a little close to my mirror there, buddy. Holy crap, that was close. Oh, and he hit the curb. First of all, I never noticed that government building over there, but look at all those crows. Oh my gosh, so many of them. Yeah, all you guys are hunters, you better get out here. We need your help. My truck is about to turn white because of bird poop. Please help. I made a big mistake here. I forgot that it's almost 5 o'clock. Staying there for a good amount of time. Overtime, I guess you could call it. I'm gonna lift it forward. Oh. But yeah, I realized if I go this way and I hop on the highway just about right about there, well, then I'm gonna be stuck in traffic for a long time because it's 5 o'clock traffic. That's just how it works around here in major cities and everything. So at least I'm not gonna be in traffic for hours, but it's still not worth it. If I go this way, it'll be a lot faster, even though I did mess up by making the wrong turn a little bit. It's crazy. I can zoom in with this camera and read words off signs that are so far away that I cannot see with my normal vision. And I have good vision, and I could see it perfectly through this camera. So it's also makes everything a lot brighter. It's darker than it actually looks in this video, and I really like that a lot. So here's a topic of discussion that I wanted to talk about, and that is wheels and tires for the Cummins. Another thing though is that this doesn't give as wide of an angle as the GoPro, but whatever. Okay, let's talk wheels and tires. So obviously I want to go with a 35. That's always been out there. That's the tire size to go with. 33 is for the people that are just like, oh, I'm not sure if I like a lifted truck. I don't know if I can afford it. I don't know if I can justify putting this much money into it. I don't know. Or they can't fit it. They don't want to buy a big enough lift kit. All these hundreds of reasons, but I don't know. 33s are still cool, guys. If you're rocking 33s, I still love 33s as well. But anyways, I want to go with 35s at least, and that's probably where I'm going to start my base off of. I'm thinking about mud terrain tires. Sound does bother me. They look really cool. The aggressiveness looks great. I know they wear down faster. I'll just have to buy more. It's whatever. The burnouts are going to kill them anyway. But this is what I need to do. I'm not sure if I can go, well, what I want to go with. If I want to go with 20s or 22s, let me know what you guys think. I'm thinking about 20s.